Welcome back, everyone. A long time has passed since I made a video. Therefore, I want to talk about what happened and how I want to continue. Those who subscribed recently, so after I've left, has seen that I mostly make music now. This will still be the case, but I want this channel to be about everything that I want to share with you. There will still be music videos, but I will continue this series too. And probably I will make a lot of videos on other topics that I don't know yet. But now let's talk about this series. I recognize a lot of things that bother me, which I want to correct, and to do this I need your help too. So I want to ask you to write down in the comments what you don't like about my videos. Here I would like to know what annoys you, not what you don't agree with or something like that. So you can still write anything, but I would be happy to receive technical suggestions like how I speak, what the videos look like, etc. And now about the upcoming episodes. At first I wouldn't say that a lot of people asked me to continue, but some of you did, which is great and I'm ready to continue. I want to keep the episodes under 10 minutes because I know myself and most of you share this standpoint that a video more than 10 minutes long is mostly just boring. So what the videos will be about? Well, at first I have to say that I mostly lost all of my previous works from the previous episodes, and I realized that it would be really unoriginal, so I won't continue that setting. I will start a new world in a new theme in the next video, but the informations and ideas I want to share with you will be useful anyway. Other than that, I realized that I'm not a writer, obviously, and I won't be able to tell you how to create a really good world. In these videos you will mostly hear what I think are bad or good ideas, some tips, but these will be just my thoughts, and it doesn't mean that they are good. It is right to disagree with me, and also you should listen to others' opinions too and create your own perspective. This will not really be a tutorial video series, more like what I said in the first episode, I think. I will build a world, maybe little stories, and I will show you how I make it and try to explain what I do, so you can learn from it. The most important thing, in my opinion, is to try to create something original. But as I said, you shouldn't be too distant from what people are used to. You can make up everything, but if it's too complicated and weird, people won't like it. That's one reason why I don't like animes. However, it's also a question of taste. But please try to avoid things like this.
I call it Space Shire 7.
Nice. It's like a fake place you made?
It's a medieval sci-fi universe adaptable to TV, movies, toys, games, and mobile apps. I threw together a 2,000-page treatment last night, and I just figured the hell with it. Why not build a scale model and record voices for all the characters? Watch.
Well met, stranger. Arashkadika Blitcho.
That's a Nebulon mage. He speaks Gabi, this dumb language I wrote.
It's then illegal?
What?
Also, you can just use those ideas that others have created. The best example for this is the elves, dwarves and orcs from Tolkien. He got these ideas from mythology and transformed it, and others transformed what Tolkien created. For example, the orcs in World of Warcraft are far different from Tolkien's orcs, or the ones in the Elder Scrolls series. They share some similarities, but they are different. Like a cat and a lion, or if you want, a tiger and a lion. You don't have to invent everything. It's hard and mostly doesn't work, just if you can. You should try to add something new to what already exists. To avoid this, I can tell you an example. H.P. Lovecraft's novels are something that I definitely want to read. As far as I know, this man wrote horror novels in which the scary thing wasn't really a thing, or at least something that we can imagine. I haven't read anything from him yet, but as I listened to videos, I understood one thing. So my conclusion was that in his novels, the thing that you should be afraid of is the unknown. The fear of the unknown is something far scarier than any creature you can imagine. You can come up with the weirdest and most terrifying creature in the world, but it will never be as frightening as the unknown. Imagine the darkness in a room. It is scary, even if there is nothing in it. But because you don't know what can be there, that is what's scary. And as far as you don't know, this tension will keep up forever. This tension cannot be reached with anything other than the fear of unknown, because we can never get used to it, not like the creatures. Aside from jump scares, the more you look at a creature, like the girl from The Ring or the Demogorgon, they will be less scary each time you see them. So the best ideas can be the most obvious ones sometimes. Anyway, I got carried away, but I wanted to tell you this. because I know it's important. The secret to create amazing worlds doesn't lie in new things, but how you use those ideas, those which already exist.